Hey guys, welcome back to Ride It Wrench It. Today I'm going to do a real short video on how I vented my breather tubes on my 2022 Street Glide Special into a catch can. Then we're at a unibit. I marked the mark that I need for the rubber grommet. Do the unibit on both sides, just to clean out the hole. Now, because the rubber grommets, the little channel in there is a little bit thinner than the thickness of this metal, I'm going to go ahead and take a file and taper the sides on both sides so that grommet will go in there and seat better. All right, then we'll take our grommet and we're going to put it in. And it does take a little bit of finagling to get it in there. It will go. Both our holes are in place and the rubber grommets there. Before you do anything else, make sure you wash this real good. Okay, now that we got our holes drilled and filled with our rubber grommets, we're going to get some new tubes put in there, some breather tubes. This is just fuel line, 1/4 inch hole fuel line. And it's real hard to get the hose through there, real hard. I mean, it almost doesn't even fit. But if you take a little bit of oil, I just grabbed a bottle of some stuff on the shelf in there. This actually works really well. Just get it on the end of one of the hoses. And if you go this way, you won't have to push a whole lot of it through. There you go, just like that. You're going to want to kind of look, because it can't really go any higher than that standoff, because that's where the air filter goes. So that looks pretty good right there, though. And this will be the end that goes down to the catch can. And you can adjust it later. That's why we left a whole bunch of extra hanging out in the back, so we can move back and forth, adjust it as we need to once we get it on the bike. That's how I redirected my breather tubes on my 2022 Street Glide Special. I didn't use a catch can per se. I used a air filter, but that's fine. I was not having very much blow by anyway, so it wasn't that big of a deal, but I really didn't want that oil going into my cylinders. It came out real clean, and it doesn't look bad either. So hope this helps you if you decide to redirect your breather tubes to vent them outside of the cylinders. And as always, if you're not a subscriber, appreciate it if you subscribe. And be sure to visit my website at rideitwrenchit.com.